Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Let's practice together, full body for today. I hope you find my workouts useful for you. I really hope you can improve yourself, you can improve your body, so let's continue practicing. Inhale first deeply as always, free time, and we're gonna start. Full body for today. Inhale. Exhale, don't forget, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. One more. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, starting from our neck. Left, right. Neck towards the left, towards the right, towards the left, towards the right. Here we go. 1, left, right, 2, 3, nice and slow. 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3. Keep moving. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next one. Locking our arms. Then open in front of you from here. Throw them up and forward. Up and forward. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, keep working. 5, push. 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Open them towards the side. Rotate your palms outside. From here, push your arms backwards. I will turn back to you. Just squeeze your upper body. Inhale first. Exhale and push. And 2, go ahead. 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, inhale. We're gonna start with Sumo squat with arms forward. Inhale first deeply. 1 set of 20. From here, we're gonna drive our arms up and we're gonna squat backwards, keep our back straight and back up. And again, squat backwards and back up. Squat and back up. We're gonna do 20. Let's inhale first deeply. Here we go. Exhale and keep working. 20. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, keep pushing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Nice one. Inhale first deeply, we continue. Exhale. Okay, the next one, standard ab crunch. Place please arms behind your head. From here, we're gonna cross over. We're gonna drive our right knee towards the left, right elbow towards the left knee, left elbow towards the right knee. Here we go, 20. Inhale first deeply. Exhale and work. 20. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Not bad. Inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, we're moving forward. The next one. Right leg straight. We're gonna bend our left knee in front of us. From here, we're gonna fall forward, keeping our right leg straight full body straight, and we're gonna open our left leg straight towards the back. 1, and we're back here. Continue. 2, and we're back here. We're gonna do 10 times on each leg. Please, if you cannot do it properly, you can use a wall, or you can use a chair, or you can use a stick for support. Here we go. Inhale. Left leg up. 10 times. Here we go. 1. Keep your right leg straight. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Breath. 9. 10. And release. Try to move it nice and slow. Inhale very deeply. Exhale. Here we go. Switch. Left. We are bending our right leg up, left leg straight. Inhale 10 times. Here we go. Nice and slow. 1. And back. 2. 3. 4. Keep it back straight. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Nice. One more. 10. And back up. Okay, nice one. Inhale very deeply. Exhale. One more. Exhale. The next one, we're going to continue. Leg go bend in front. From here, we're going to move it backwards, lunge backwards and up. Lunge backwards and up. Please keep in mind one thing. If you want to feel more your quads, the back leg should not go too wide. If you want to feel more your butt, then left leg goes more backwards and you go more into your right leg. So right now more your butt is working. So I will do using my squat. Inhale more. Left leg up. Here we go, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 times on each leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Inhale for a deeply, we're gonna switch side. Exhale. Here we go, right one. Left straight, right up, right goes backwards. Lock your pelvis in your lower back. Here we go, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, inhale first deeply. Exhale. We're gonna continue with upper back. Lie down on your chest. First, inhale deeply. Then nice and smooth, lie down on your chest. Then from here, what we're gonna do, relax your legs. We're gonna raise our chest off the ground, drive our arms backwards, and then bring them in front and rest. Here we go. 12 in totally. Inhale deeply first. And up. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, one more, 12. Rest, inhale deeply, we're gonna do one more set. Exhale. Okay, the second one, here we go, 12. And up, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Awesome. Up. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Okay, we continue the next one. Lie down in the back. From here, what I want you to do first, rotate your pelvis flat back. Left leg straight in front, toes look up. We're gonna rotate our left leg towards the right side first, and we're gonna drive it towards the right. Drive your left leg only towards the right side. Here we go. One more time. First, you open it forward. Second, you drive it towards the right side, sorry. In a rotation, right? And we're gonna drive towards the right side of the leg. Here we go, 10. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale, we're gonna switch. Exhale. Flat back, raise your head off the ground. Right leg straight in front. Rotate round with your right leg towards the left side first and drive it towards the left side. Inhale. 10 times. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. The second one will be, we're gonna rotate our legs outside. Inhale first. Flat back. Raise your head off the ground. Raise your both legs. Left leg go up, rotate outside and open towards the side, towards the left. 10 times. Inhale and work. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale deeply, we're gonna switch side. Exhale, flat back. Up. Right leg in front, rotate towards the right side, open your leg towards the right side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep pushing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back up. For those who have low back pain, this will be a very useful thing. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Rotate your pelvis, raise your butt off the ground. Left leg goes straight open forward. Arms go back straight near your head. From here, we're gonna raise our left leg at the same time opening our arms towards the side and bring it back. Here we go, 10 on each side. Right side is pushing up, here we go. And back. 2, 3, 4, keep pushing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale first deeply, we're gonna switch side. Exhale. Rotate your pelvis, right leg straight in front, arms go back. Here we go. Up or arms towards the side. 10, here we go. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And rest. Nice and easy, stand up. Take a deep breath. Stand up. Okay, here we go. What we're gonna do next from here, we're gonna do lunge. Legs open towards the side, side lunge. Please drive more into your butt, right? Feel your glutes. Once you're here, I want you more to feel more your butt. And then we'll switch. Left, and then we'll switch. Right, and then we'll switch. Here we go, 20. Inhale first deeply. Here we go, towards the left side first. And back. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, keep working. 8, 9, 10, 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, keep pushing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Awesome. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay, we continue the next one. Hip on the ground first, legs straight in front. We're gonna bend our right leg, left arm placed on the ground. From here, right arm goes in the middle. We're gonna inhale, we're gonna exhale and reach up and then back. Inhale, exhale and reach up. Try to push more with your right leg. You can move your right leg more forward a little bit. You will feel more like you're stretching your body, in your body. Inhale first, exhale and drive up. And back, 10 times, nice and smooth. 2, 3, 4, push through my arm and leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch, right leg in front, left leg back. Inhale, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Awesome. Stand up. Let's inhale first deeply. Fold forward. Exhale, fully fold forward. Feel that stretch in your legs. Let's do down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground, and that's it. Let's inhale first deeply. Exhale. That's it. Thank you for today. Quick class. Take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Wish you all the best. Peace.